You're on Google, and you're enjoying the collaboration products, mail, calendar, contacts. However, you also have this need for business process to be automated.
Our agency, they don't have the money to do a full-fledged app. They just need something simple that makes their life easier. Right now we have the blue form because it's a blue sheet of paper.
The Wyoming Flexible Benefits Enrollment Plan.
You're filling it out and signing it, and then they have to data entry all that back in. 10,000 people, a lot of blue trees.
We were able to make this an app maker.
We showed it to our HR department, and they were so excited.
What notifications you secure? Honestly, at first I was very skeptical. It just seemed too easy. Like, oh yeah, I drag and drop a couple little things. What do I care? I'm a real developer. I don't use these little gadgets. But as I got to use the tool more, I was like, wow, you know, this really can do some pretty cool stuff. I was able to develop a relatively sophisticated app for login monitoring. From ideation all the way through the final delivered app to our administrators for them to use was 5 weeks. And that's just unheard of in any other kind of product lifecycle.
Why App Maker? Because not everyone is me. I really like working deep down in the code, working low level. The great thing about App Maker is you don't need to have that deep down knowledge. People are able to make these really snazzy looking applications that can be used by an entire company.
I never pictured myself developing anything. App Maker is an insanely awesome way to solve a small problem.
App Maker makes my job easier because I don't need multiple tools. I can just develop it directly on App Maker.
One word to describe App Maker: simple.
Quick.
Flexible.
Versatile.
Empowerment.
One word to describe App Maker: game changer.